Alrighty, today we're going to put together the 5 Villa PV099, just the chair part. We'll have to do the table tomorrow when it arrives. You're going to start with, I think it's piece B, A, I don't really know. And you're going to find the bolts that are labeled G, and you're going to put your little washers on. Now, you see in a lot of the reviews, well, not really a lot of, but some of the reviews, people are complaining about things not lining up. Well, the reason things aren't lining up is because I'm pretty sure you're not following the directions. Ouch, that kind of hurt, didn't it? It should say in here to not tighten anything up until you're done. Oh yes. No? No, I don't think it says that. But it should. It should say, do not tighten anything down until you're done. That'll prevent you from having that'll prevent you from having things that don't line up. Alright. So you're going to take your bolt. Which one was it again? B? G. Take G, slide it through the center here, and then get it lined up at your hole. And kind of just start her in there. Not tight, not all the way in, just get her started. And then you're going to put it on the other hole. And it helps if you get it straight. Now notice it will move around on you, and that's what you want. Alright, so the next step, after you get the bottom and the back together, or the seat and the back together, you're going to take your bolts that are labeled F, you're going to put your washers on those. You might as well do all 4. You could do 2. You can put one arm on and then do 2, put the other arm on. It doesn't matter. Then you're going to take your arm rest. Yep. Get that lined up, and that's not going to be viewable by the camera. This one will be. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get it lined up to where you can see. I'm going to put that through the side of the seat and into the hole of the arm. And then again, just get it loosely started. Don't tighten things down to where you can't move them later, because you need to be able to move them. Get the other one in there. There we go, I'm started. And we're going to bolt it down. We're going to grab our H. We're going to put a washer on it. And this is why you want it loosely done up to this point. Is because you want this to be able to move back and forth. You want this to be able to move up and down and back and forth. And if you don't, if it's tight and this thing won't move, it's going to be off on both axes. And then you're going to have to pull down and pull back and try to get it to line up, and it's not going to quite line up. So if everything's loose, you'll be able to just slide that bolt right in there, move them around just enough to get it started. And if it's hard to turn, things aren't lined up quite right, so just move something around, and eventually you'll get to a point where she just slides right in. Bada bing, bada boom. Time for the other side, which we're going to set it in. It's going to be the same thing on this side. I'm going to be in the way of the shot of this because it's just going to be kind of hard to move in a position where the camera can see. Make sure I'm using the right bolts though. And just get these started just like we did on the other arm. Making sure not to go tight because you need it to be able to move on both axes. And just drop that one in, get that lined right back up. Whereas, should be pretty easy as long as it's loose. Now with all the bolts in there loosely, now we can go ahead and tighten them down. You just grab the Allen key that it came with and start. I fit just fine. There's plenty of room for me to fit another 50 or 60 pounds in here. They're nice and sturdy. Pretty comfortable. Alrighty, the cable finally came the other day. Slacking. We're going to put it together today because I was a bad boy and stopped off and did some visiting on the way home. So, got to make it up and be nice. He is trying to slide on me, so we want don't slide on me. Now, come on. If I scratch it, I'm sorry. We'll say it came scratched. Don't watch this video, 5Ella. Alright, it's real simple because the screws are really simple. You got D's and E's, what they're calling D's and what they're calling E's. Your D's are going to be your shorter ones and your E's are going to be your longer ones. I think they're calling the washers, I think they're calling those F. But you're going to need 2 for each leg. And the washer's going to be the same no matter which screw you're using, so doesn't make it hard at all. Alright, we're just going to do 4 for now. And then the leg has this nice little thing here with holes in it that goes right into those. And you want your thing up here to be facing inward. Wait a minute, what are the instructions? Hex bit. I think it's a hex bit. I don't know. I could be wrong. Now again, like with the chairs, you don't want to get them overly tight until everything's in. So you just want to get them just enough to hold. Because if you get them too tight, things will not line up. I'm not in the hole. That's what she said. You're not in the hole. That is not tight. There we go. That's better. Just gonna repeat that for the other 3 legs. I should probably have set this up on something so I could have stood up and did it. Tell you what, we're just gonna shoot a video for the legs, or 2 little legs, and then we'll catch back up whenever we put the middle piece in. That way we don't have that awkward me trying to stand up, you know. Y'all don't want to see that. Someone out there just said, I do. No, you don't. Yep, and then we'll just catch back up with you guys whenever we go to put the centerpiece in, okay? The legs are nice and very loosely attached. We're going to put this in here. Kind of slide her in, let those arm thingies hold her a little bit. Make sure you bang her around a little bit so you know There we go. And again, you're just going to want to get these lightly started. Not tight. Just enough to kind of tack it together and hold it for you so it doesn't bang around anymore. That one's a little bit off, but we'll fix that here in a second. Now, if I do fall, take a step back and fall off the porch, make sure you pull the camera up to get that.
I will. I'll laugh then ask if you're okay.
Yeah, I would expect a laugh. I wouldn't expect you to ask if I was okay.
I ain't that cruel.
Well, just make sure you get on video so we can put it on YouTube.
Assembling fails.
Right. Old guy falls. You can't get up. Had to call 911. Broke his back.
Yeah.
Broke his spleen, man. Broke his spleen.
I can get you a life alert.
There you go. Alright, with those nicely loosely started, I can go back and tighten though. I usually start with the center first. I'm sorry. Because that center will kind of pull those legs closer to where they need to be. Now, don't use an impact wrench here because you will damage the screw end of the hole. Just use a regular driver. And this one wasn't quite lined up, so we're going to back that one off. Okay. Give it a little more power. That's how you fix it. Tim Allen told me that when I was little. And then, oops. Magnetized bit does not stay magnetized. Well, that was actually almost all the way in. Only thing that's left, guys, is to flip her over. Wait a minute. Turn the table over, set her on her legs. Yeah, that. We'll go with that. Isn't she pretty? I put this together. No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I did. Hey. So, your table's done. Was there anything else you needed me to do?
I'll type with that damn thing together.
So is there anything else you needed me to do?
There's a whole list inside.
Shit.